Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the best shoe for fall winter for $60. You heard me right, $60. So these shoes are one of the best shoes in my opinion that you can purchase for this price and this colorway and just the model. You can wear it with shorts, jeans, sweatpants, joggers, literally anything you can think of. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. It all depends on what you're feeling in that day. So if you don't know, this is what the box comes in. It's a cool vintage type box with the Nike logos everywhere. They are a Blazer Mid 77 vintage and retail on these is $100. But if you go on Nike.com, a lot of colors are on sale. A lot of colors are on sale on Nike.com. In my opinion, I got the best colorway because it can go with anything. But they have the blue, red, black and white. I believe there's a purple colorway. A lot of colorways are on sale in between the $60 to $100 range. These ones were on sale for I think $58 plus tax. If you're a Nike member, you get free shipping. But without further ado, let's just get into the shoes. Now, here you guys go. That's the shoe. So for these, I like these because they are a leather upper. And the benefits of a leather upper are if they get destroyed, nasty, dirty, muddy, they're very easy to clean. They're a very easy shoe to clean. But at the same time, they are a very nice shoe to get beat up. In my opinion, Blazers and Jordan 1s are the two best shoes to beat up. I think they always will look good no matter how beat they are. It all depends on the outfit and who's rocking them and how you rock them. So as you can see, I did get the white and I believe sail. Yes, white, light bone, and sail colorway. And the reason I got these was because at that $60 price point, for an everyday shoe, you cannot beat it. It is one of the best shoes you can get for an everyday shoe for that price. These are cheaper than Air Force One lows, and not as many people rock these as Air Force One lows. So be different, stand out a little bit. For me, I like how it's kind of like that vintagey feel already as you get them. They have like this suede nubuck that looks like it's been worn down a little bit, which I love that. I think it looks amazing that way. You have the Nike on the back with a speckle design, and it comes with white laces. Now these don't come with any extra laces, but like all shoes, you can easily buy a pair of black laces or yellow, blue, whatever color you want in these will look fire. And they do have that distressed tongue, kind of like an off-white, but most Blazers nowadays do come with that, which I think is a very cool touch and makes it a lot more accessible for the people that like that. And you can skate these, wear these, dress them up, dress them down. Like I said, these shoes can literally be anything you want. So I'm gonna give you guys an on-foot look with a couple of different pants options that you can rock them with. Again, like I said, $60, you cannot beat it. I'll show you a closer look at the shoes and the size label right after this, and then we'll get into the on-foot look with the different options you can wear for pants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, please. Put recommendations down for everyday shoes for just me, everyone else. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.